As graduate students, we all have different jobs on campus that give us money to pay up our necessary bills, be it graduate assistantships, a team member at the bookstore, or a barista at Starbucks. But when all the bills are paid by the end of the month, we're usually left with little or nothing to meet our other needs and wants. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some ways you can get extra cash as a graduate student without getting an additional job. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Rarsu Amaribi and I film about education and lifestyle from Tampa, Florida. As international students, we're technically not allowed to work off campus, and even if we were, graduate students are usually very busy from coursework to research work to their on campus jobs. So it is really lovely that some resources, which I'm going to be sharing with you right now, have been put in place to reward students' efforts. As I share these resources, I'm going to leave links to examples of each categories in the description box so you can go through and have an idea of what best fits you based on your research area, your university, or your field of study. So first on the list are fellowship. Fellowship I would like to explain as an assistantship, but not given by your university or your college or department, but by an organization interested in your field or research area. So for example, we may have fellowship for students in environmental research or fellowship for women in STEM or various other researches. So it's based on like various organizations and their interests. So they decide to fund a particular sect of students. So based on the organization funding the fellowship, you can get like different amounts. So the fellowship they give up to $50,000 yearly, and this covers like a student tuition and stipend. So that stipend may come out to be $30,000 in a year. And so if your school normally pays assistants $25,000, you get to get an extra $5,000. So that's a way of making money. So there are fellowships that give smaller amounts. So some fellowship may give you just stipends like 30K, which you still make extra money because your university will most likely waive your tuition as an assistant. But you have fellowship giving as low as maybe $6,000 yearly, and that might amount to like $500 per month, which is like an extra $500 to whatever you are earning in school already. So be it big fellowships or small fellowships, you still stand a chance to earn extra money than you would have actually earned like in school or you are earning right now in school. So the second on the list are departmental or college or university level scholarships. I termed it this way because like there are smaller scholarships in school apart from like the assistantship being given to graduate students. There are smaller scholarship that are given towards fees. So as an assistant, your tuition is waived, right? But you still have to pay fees. For example, I have to pay like $800 to $900 per semester. So there are like scholarships within school that gives you like $1,500 or $800 towards your fees. And if you're able to apply and get this little scholarship, then you don't have to worry about paying fees for that semester or year. And that gives you an extra $800 in your account or 1,500 based on the amount of the scholarship. So, and that really helps in meeting some of your extra bills. So that's a way you can actually get extra cash if you look through like the scholarships within your colleges your departments or universities, you can find little scholarships like this. The third on the list are awards from professional organizations. So, in school, we're involved in like different professional organizations based on your interest or your field. For example, they're like Society of Women Engineers, American Association of University Women, National Society of Black Engineers, and so many more. So within these organizations and even honor societies, you can apply for awards that are being given. So they can be like research awards or grad scholar award or just different categories of awards. So you actually have to be involved to know what's going on in the organization. You can keep up to date on like the news panel of their website or in their meetings, and you can apply for upcoming awards and stand a chance to win. The fourth on the list are competitions. So you get involved in different competitions if you want to. There are poster competitions within school or in conferences that you go to, or a thesis competition. So if you get to participate in such competition, they usually reward the winner or the first and second runner up with money basically. So you can look out for these competitions and get involved and stand a chance to win. So I these are the four categories I have to share with you in this video. If you have more ways a grad student or PhD student can get extra cash without getting an extra job, please share with me down in the comment section. And I like to say this, it's really good that we get to be rewarded with some cash, but that's definitely not the main benefit of these competitions or these awards. Just participating in a poster competition or in a thesis competition, or yeah, applying for an award or fellowship gives you more. It's if you gain or if you get any of this fellowship or awards, you boost your resume, which boosts your profile and like takes you further in your career. And just participating in poster competition even without winning helps your communication skills, makes helps you meet professionals in your field, your area, and boost your networking skills. So even if you don't win like the cash rewards, you should always be open to participate in opportunities like this because it helps to boost your profile overall, which in turn pushes your career forward. So for you guys watching me, if you're in grad school, I would advise you to always look out for opportunities like this. You stand a chance to win the money, which is good. Yeah, it's good. But also you stand a chance to gain a whole lot of skills, to meet a whole lot of professionals, and just take you to the next level. So this is the end of this video. If you like this, please like, share, comment, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me, it helps this channel, and it's free. Please subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe. If you have a specific topic you want me to talk about, please let me know down in the comment section, and please turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.